Hey everybody, PGK Christ here, and welcome to some more Call of Duty Black Ops 3. Today is the first ever episode of the assault rifles, everybody. We have the KN-44 as the first assault rifle, and if you guys do remember, in the last episode we did finish off the Razorback. Now the KN-44 is here, and an XR2, then you get the point. So, let's just get straight into this. So, good morning, good night, good afternoon, whatever time it is you're watching this video at. Probably good afternoon. So, I'm using the Annihilator. My gamer tag is PGKChrist05 on the Xbox One, which is pretty awesome. So, yeah. Oh, wait. Alright, let's do this Nuketown, or Nuke 3 Town, or Nuck 3 Town, whatever you want to call it. I call it Nuketown, Nuketown 3. Alright, let's do this. No, not the brekkie! Nuketown is so small, it's so easy to get kills. So everybody, yeah, we're gonna take out everybody. Yeah, alright. Da 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 da. Come on, take them all out. Pause it, Dustin. Alright everybody, we're back. I'm sorry, just some issues. Sorry. Alright. Pretend like nothing happened. Alright. Come on, Annihilator, do me some good. Oh, wall banged him. Oh gosh. KN-44 is OP if you have the right attachments on it. Oh, you little camper. They can't master. No, not the flashbang. How much I hate flashbangs. Whoa, it's you, it's you. I knew it. Gosh dang it. Alright, HD thing. Jiggle bobber. Oh, go this way. Go this way. Go this way. This guy right here. Wait, wall run. Yes, they're over here. Wall run again. Boom! I was going for the 3 there, but Annihilator, let's go. If someone takes away my Annihilator, we're going to kill them. Oh my gosh, seriously, my Annihilator. I love that thing. It's so awesome. It's the golden gun. This guy right here. How did I get knocked? I was trying to do it. No, people and their stupid snipers, the Dracone. What? Where were my shots going to? Whoa, people in the Dracone, please. Can we please work this out here? Turn it down a little bit, Dawson. Oh, my Annihilator. Someone takes it away. I'm gonna die. No. Kill this guy, please. No! 39. Easy game, easy life. I want to try something. For the final kill, we're gonna do something here. Because we still have time on the video, I'm gonna go over to content filter, sensitivity. Alright, let's see how, wow, okay, that's terrible. Whatever, didn't do the trick shot. I was gonna try and do a trick shot for the last kill, but I was gonna try and pick up that guy's sniper and do a trick shot, but thank you guys for watching. If you did like this video, make sure to subscribe and leave a like down below. And, yep, that was the first episode of the assault rifles. See you guys later. Bye.